Hi friends, it's been long since we have met. So decided to come up with this beautiful video on the National Educational Policy of 2020. Parents are really confused as to what is happening in the field of education. So hence, I decided to bring this in a nutshell for you so that you know exactly what we are talking about, what the CBSE is talking about, and being in the field of education for 43 years and then worked in a CBSE for a long time, I decided to bring this video to you, and it's a very informative one. What are the three shifts that they have made, and what is it? How am I able to summarize that? That is going to come up to you. We are shifting from the rote learning to a competency based education. What do I mean by that? It's no more of rote learning. It's no more of just, understanding. The child needs to apply. The child needs to analyze. The child needs to synthesize. The child needs to create. This is what will happen when the NEP comes in. A concept cannot be just driven as a rote learning. So that is a major shift that's happening. So there'll be lots of projects. So we are moving towards skill-based education, which is very, very important and imperative. That's number one. Number two, multidisciplinaries, which means in order to execute this, all the multidisciplinary skill-based education or things will be implemented in this. For example, you would have a dance, you would have music, you would have a role play, you would have everything incorporated into it so that the child comes out very meritoriously. Four things that they are looking at. One is the critical thinking, problem solving. Second is the creativity. Third is the collaboration. And fourth is, of course, the competency of public speaking or competency of communications and skills, along with ICT, which is a computer-based learning. So the method of teaching will also differ. Number one, method of learning will differ, method of teaching will differ. So number three, your question, I know what you're asking for. How are they going to assess them? So the assessment will not be through marks. It's not going to be, your child is going to be graded. The child is going to be assessed on the basis of their understanding, their capability, and their moving forward. So it is going to be an individualized assessment by every child will be assessed individually. That is another major shift that's coming. So how much of it is being understood by your child? How much is it being applied? How much is it being created? So these are the things that are going to come in the NEP, that is 2020, which I formulated in 2020. It is coming into practice only now. However, this is a major shift, moving away from the rote learning to a skill-based learning and the competency-based education. So experiential learning will become more important. And so when you mean experiential learning, the child will have to experience. Hence, you may have banking, you may have things like finance. It's taught in the earlier classes itself. So for the child to know what it means. So let's hope for the best. And it is going to be a major change. It's a welcome change. I think it is something that we all need to appreciate. Do think about it because it needs it. If there is any query, please connect with us. Thank you.